Stop by and take a look at the 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fiberglass topper, power driver mirrors, remote vehicle start, steering wheel controls, cruise control, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.